Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to generate contour from a raster image. So on the screen here is a raster image. So I'll be generating contour from this particular image now. So this is the raster image and we'll be working with this particular boundary. You can see the boundary. This is the boundary here. So we'll be working with that particular boundary now. So for you to be able to generate contour from a raster image, what you simply do is that you locate your search. You can come through the windows here, you click on windows and then you click on search. So under this search now, what you simply do is you just type contour, then you press enter. Now we have the first one says contour 3D analyst. So you click on this contour 3D analyst and it's going to bring out this interface for you. So under this interface now, it says input raster. So you select the raster. You can see this is our raster here. So under this drop down icon, you click on it and the contour interval, depending on the interval you want to use. So I'll be making use of 5 as my contour interval, and then the Z factor here I'll make use of 0.1, then I'll click OK. So you can see the contour interval now. You can see it's just too closer. By the time I turn off this now, you can see the contour that was generated. By the time I come back, let me delete this and I'll do it again. So I'll come back there. I'll come back now and I'll select the raster image, and under this contour interval now I will use 0.5 as my contour interval, 0.5 as my contour interval, and for the Z factor I'll use 0.1, then I'll press OK. So that has been generated. So by the time I uncheck this now, you can see the contour on the screen. Under this place here, when you click on this place, you can change the color. Peradventure the color is not on brown, you can change it to brown, and as soon as you are done with that, you come to this, you click on your contour and you right click and click on properties. So under these properties now, you have your label. You come to label. So under this label, you click on label features in this layer and then you select the label feed. So for the label feed here, you select the contour, that is the contour you are working with, and you click on apply. As soon as you click on apply now, you can see it relabel the contour for you. You can see the labels on the screen, and if you want to change the size of the labels, you can change it. You can change the size of the labels. You click on apply and you click OK. So you can see the size has been changed, and that is how to create a contour from a raster image using ArcGIS, and also to be able to label the contours. If you find this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.